How's the weather? Who are you? Hey guys, this is Tech. I'm going to install Bixby Voice on S7 and S7Edge. First, download the files in the description. You have to install Batman ROM to be installed Bixby as it is supported on it. That you can see on screen, I am installing Batman ROM version 1.1.1. There are three files that you need. First one is Batman ROM. Second, you have to install CSC selection version, and third one is the Bixby zip. As you can see, I am setting up the ROM via Roma installer. You can choose it as yourself. You can customize it yourself. Keep on going next. You have to update the bootloader. Keep going on. You have to choose what application you want to install. You have to select Bixby. You can install other applications as you liking, but you have to install Bixby to work. You have to select any version of CSA as we have installed. Reinstall it because there is no available CSC that support BSB. So new file link is in the description. You have to download from the web. As you can see, I am installing. I will pause the video and skip the installation. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to install, so I will do that. Now the second thing, CSC selection. This is given the link. Click on it, install. Keep next. Agree, installation, and then select XAA and then select XAA USF unbranded, which is selected. Then you can choose the tweaks. Keep next and install. I will skip the installation. Now reboot the device. It will take some time. I will pause the video as it is installed and rebooted fully. I will show the setup video of the ROM. It will also take 5 to 10 minutes to boot up, so you have to wait. Now set up the device as your liking. Select Wi-Fi or mobile data. As I have mobile data, I skip it. I have fast forwarded this video. Keep on set up if you want anything. Keep skipping everything. Wait for notification. get Bixby voice, but some functions are not working, which is a fault of Bixby. Now go to my files where you have downloaded the third file called Bixby zip. You can see that there is the Bixby zip, and we have to unzip it. After unzipping it, you have to install all the apps. As shown below, you have to uncheck unknown sources, then install all the apps. First is Bixby Voice. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. Then next, Bixby Global Action. Then Bixby Period Bixby Service. Then Bixby Voice Input. Then A-Line. Then Bixby Home. Voice Backup. Now you have done. Swipe left, swipe right. Here is the Bixby. You have to sign in to the user. I will skip sign process. Now this is signing. Wait 1 minute. It will load up. So here you go. Agree the terms. Now skip all the sequences. Here is the Bixby. Now you can see that there is up icon, voice icon of Bixby. You have to set update. Without this you can't use it. Only select update, next, update, then next and next. Done. Now click on the voice icon. Here you go. This is the Bixby. What's the weather? So there is no net. So what's the weather? Here you go. I have all different commands. You can see that. It performs well, but some functions are limited as it is created by Bixby, who have created Bixby. So this was the simplest method I can tell you to get Bixby voice. So you can check Bigfoot development website. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.